We took this, I think, the day before we left.
Steve Goujon showed us the last picture taken of his family before they headed off on a much-anticipated holiday to a resort in the Dominican Republic, a trip that quickly ended in an unimaginable tragedy.
I think people need to be aware of what can happen.
Upon arriving at the resort in the evening, the Goujon family went to the buffet. Early the next morning, all four of them became violently ill.
We were all throwing up.
Goujon says he called the medical clinic at the resort, but says he was told no one could come to their room and that the family had to get themselves to the clinic.
I explained the severity of our symptoms and the inability of any of us to make it to the medical center. And when I say severity, like, we couldn't even make it to the bathroom.
Goujon says he called again in the afternoon and pleaded for help, at which point he says the resort did respond, but says by then the family had to be transported by wheelchairs to the resort's medical center. They were then taken by ambulance to a local hospital, where Mom April and son Oliver took a turn for the worse.
They degraded in terms of their health, and then my son passed away, and then about very shortly after, my wife